Welcome to know new species of visual AI. Funtrace 360-degree intelligent following shot tripod head. Open the packing box. Take out the following shot tripod head. Screw off the bottom, cover the battery. Install 3 AA alkaline dry batteries. Loosen the knob, release the phone clip, and adjust the clip to horizontal or vertical screen. Open the clip. Slide the phone into the clip. You can search for Funtrace app in mobile app stores such as Google Play, Huawei, Xiaomi, and other application markets. Touch the button, start the device. The Bluetooth red lamp flickers. Turn on the Bluetooth of mobile phone. Then open the Funtrace app. Bluetooth status icon on app interface turns blue. Tripod head connects to app successfully. Switch to object tracking mode. Double-click the selected target on the app camera interface. You can start to follow the camera shot intelligently. Switch to face tracking mode. Pause and stop for 3 seconds. You can start shooting automatically. 360-degree intelligent following shot pan tilt can automatically recognize your face. It follows wherever you go. It's you who record full videos and become a good helper on the way to food bloggers. While tripod head switches to double mode, two faces approach and stop for 3 seconds. The camera can be opened automatically. Show yourself. Accompany your family. Embrace your lover. Subvert your vision. So-called delicate means you will be more beautiful. New playing methods of object tracking. Funtrace 360-degree intelligent following shot tripod head.